Welcome to Conversations Live. For more than a decade, we've brought you the best in books, entertainment, celebrity interviews, and current events. When the movers and shakers of the world have something to say to you, they say it to us first. Here's your host, Cyrus Webb.
Welcome back, everyone, to Conversations Live. I'm your host, Cyrus Webb. Glad you all could join us once again. For a radio audience tuning in here in Mississippi at WYAD 94.1 FM and WYADonline.com, we're glad that you all can be with us. Also tuning in online worldwide via our podcast at iHeartRadio and Amazon Music. We're glad you all could be with us as well. But there's a lot of conversations taking place today, as you guys have probably seen or heard, around AI and the concerns about it. But what happens when tech and AI are used for good? Well, Lenovo's Meet Your Digital Self is a groundbreaking social experiment enabling technology and mental health to come together to uplift and nurture our future generations. Here to talk to us more about it, we're excited to welcome Dr. Shairi Turner, the Chief Health Officer for Crisis Text Line. We're going to talk to Dr. Turner not only about what she can tell us about this new technology, but also where you guys can go for more information as well. Dr. Turner, thank you again for spending some time with us. Really appreciate it.
Thank you, Cyrus.
So this is something that a lot of our audience may just be finding out about. So how has Crisis Tech Line's work to address the youth mental health epidemic helped by partnering with Lenovo?
So Lenovo has partnered with Crisis Text Line to help increase access to Crisis Text Line's free 24/7 high-quality mental health support and crisis intervention services to make it more available to young people in the U.S. and in Puerto Rico.
So for those who are just finding out about it, I know before this segment was scheduled, Dr. Turner, I didn't know a whole lot about Crisis Text Line. Can you talk to us more about the mission and what it's trying to do, especially when it comes to young people and support?
Yes. So our mission at Crisis Text Line is really focused around promoting mental well-being for people wherever they are. So we know there is a mental health epidemic, especially for young people, and it's spanning the U.S. and across the globe. In fact, just a few statistics, there were over 5 million adolescents who were experiencing depression in 2022, but that's up from 2 million in 2010.
And again, we know this is such an important topic, especially when it comes to overall mental health, but especially for our young people. So when people think about help, though, for mental health, and Dr. Turner, they may not think about technology. So how can technology support mental well-being, especially in younger generations?
So we have seen at Crisis Text Line how powerful technology can be for helping that and foster that human-to-human connection, especially in those moments of crisis. So, for example, at Crisis Text Line to date, we've seen and supported over 9 million conversations with people in crisis. And texting really makes it easy, especially for younger people. So our texters, over 70% of them are under the age of 25. They're digital natives. They are comfortable sharing their experiences and their emotions via text. And texting really makes it easy when young people are struggling because they can reach out for this anonymous and non-judgmental support. And all they have to do is text hello or hola to 741-741, and they'll reach that live volunteer crisis counselor any time of day.
Wow, such great information, and such I think, for our audience out there, Dr. Turner, it's a great example of how technology and AI can come together to do something good. Again, everyone, Dr. Shairi Turner has been our guest, the Chief Health Officer for Crisis Text Line, talking with us not only about what they're doing to help address youth mental health epidemic, but also, of course, how Lenovo is helping with technology as well to do the same thing. So, Dr. Turner, let our audience know again, how can they find out more information?
Yes, so anyone can text hello or hello or hola to 741-741 to be connected with a live trained volunteer crisis counselor who's supervised by our mental health professional staff. We are available in English or in Spanish and can also be accessed via WhatsApp and web chat.
Dr. Turner, thank you so much for the great work you're doing, and appreciate you spending some time with us today.
Thank you so much, Cyrus.
More than welcome, and we thank your audience for tuning in to another great segment of Conversations Live. Until next time, I'm your host, Cyrus Webb, saying as always, enjoy your day, enjoy your life, enjoy your world. Thank you all for choosing Conversations Live. Let us go make today amazing. Take care.